Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send snaps to celebrities or how to send snaps to verified accounts. So guys, if you want to send snaps to celebrities or the verified accounts, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, as you can see this, I have opened this celebrity account on my Snapchat, but there is no option to send a snap from here to this account. So guys, you can see this, there is no such option which allows you to send the snap to this verified account. So guys, you can see this, if I go to this three dot button, then here I can see no option to send a snap to this person. So guys, you can see this, you can easily add this person first to your Snapchat, and once you add, the option will be shown on this profile whether you can send the snap to this person or not. So guys, you can see this, I have added this person, but still I don't get the option to send the snaps to this account. So guys, basically there is no such option which allow you to send the direct snaps to the verified accounts. If you want to send the snaps to verified accounts, then you have to simply make a request first to this person, and once he allows you back, then you will be able to send the snaps to these celebrities or the verified accounts very easily. So guys, basically there is no such option which allows you to send directly snaps to celebrities or the verified accounts. You have to simply make a request physically to this person, and after this he will allow you to send snaps. So guys, this is the way which you can use to send snaps to the celebrities or the verified accounts on Snapchat. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.